Hey guys, how's it going? How to get the link to your YouTube channel. So you can just go ahead and click your avatar icon at the top, right? And then basically click the YouTube studio, right? In your YouTube studio, you're gonna see your control, right? You're gonna see all of it. You're gonna see your whole settings. So basically, if we let me grow. Not grow, let me make it big. So you can scroll a little bit down. You're gonna see content, comments, customization, and all that. You can go ahead and click on the settings right here and see this is your official settings. You're gonna see channel right here, and you're gonna be able to see basic info, advanced settings, right? And this is your basically your account settings, right? And basically close right here, right? And you're gonna be able right here to see customization, right? Click on it. You're gonna wait for a few moments right here, and you're gonna be able to see your profile customization, and you're gonna see the name, handle, and description, and you're gonna be able to see the channel URL, and you can change the channel URL, and basically channel URL is that when another name for your channel. Here you're gonna see different name too that will all link to your YouTube channel. Let me close this window. And if you want people to get access to your channel quickly, you can just add the username right here. You can freely change it whenever you want, and you can just copy the link of that username with the link, and then just paste it in any social media, and they will link it right back at your channel. So you have this one for your username, for your unique handle, and you have the second one, which is the channel URL, right? This is the standard web address, and you have the easy to remember web address for your YouTube channel. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.